All right, game changer. The message that I have for you today is that you must see yourself as a franchise. You must see yourself as a franchise. This is Coach Chenjerai Mukandiona. I'm a mindset coach. Game changer. The reason why you must see yourself as a franchise is that God, when God created Adam, He placed him in the Garden of Eden, the garden which God Himself had created on behalf of Adam. Again, God created Eve to be a helper for Adam. And in the Garden of Eden, God put plants and animals which would be necessary for survival and eventually the success of Adam. So everything that God created was made available for Adam to use. This same thing happens to you as well. God created everything for you. God created systems that can help you to succeed. God put gifts. God give you the intelligence. He give you the abilities. He give you the capacities. All these capacities are, all these things are important for you to be able to succeed. He gives you the environment, the people, the parents, and the siblings, that type of ecosystem, the kind of ecosystem which is important for you. Because one thing for sure is that you cannot survive on your own. This concept is similar to that of a franchise. If you want to succeed, if you go alone as an independent into business, there are high chances that you will fail. But if you join a franchise which is designed to help people who want to enter into business to succeed, a franchise has a support system. It has business systems. It has the networks. It has the value chains that if you tap into those that franchise ecosystem, you have high chances to succeed. So the same thing happens to us as individuals. We cannot survive on our own. We need to be in an environment. And God, who is the creator of these systems, of this environment, of these people, of everything that we need to tap, is the franchisor. God is the franchisor. And now, if we decide to join His ecosystem, we become the franchisee, right? So God put systems. In this case, He put some laws, some commandments, and things that we can follow. This is why He said in the book of Isaiah, if you are willing and obedient, you will enjoy the fruits of the land. So the role of a franchisee is to obey the systems, the policies, the procedures put in place by the franchisor. Because the franchisor put these systems, these are tried and tested systems that if you follow, if you are willing and obedient and willing to obey and follow these systems, you will be able to succeed. So the same thing here. You as a franchisee, if you follow whatever God is telling you to do, and if you tap into His strength and abilities and his guidance, that is a sure way to win. Look what Adam did. He failed to follow God's instruction. He ignored God's policy not to eat the fruit from the tree of knowledge. And what happened? He was chased away from the Garden of Eden. And it means his life became difficult outside the Garden of Eden. The same thing happened. When you fail to follow the processes of a franchisor, the processes of McDonald's will cut the contract and you stand as an independent. And if you stand as an independent, the supply that was making you successful will be cut off. Eventually, you will fail. So, game changer, this is it. You need to see yourself as a franchisee, and it's up to you to tap into God's support system or to stand on your own.